This video demonstrates how an instructor can edit and manage their profile details. The following topics are covered: login as an instructor, edit personal and address details, add educational qualifications, professional qualifications, STQ, and experience details, trade change functionality, transfer out, process, transfer in, process, upload monthly plan, teaching material repository. Click on Login. Select CTS and click on Instructor from the given list. Enter instructor IPRN and date of birth. Click on Continue. Enter the OTP received on registered mobile number. For personal and address details, the instructor can edit the information using the following steps. The instructor can update their profile by clicking the plus icon next to the respective section. The instructor can update their personal and address details by clicking the Edit button. The update screen will then appear. The personal details screen displays the information provided by the instructor during registration. By clicking the Edit icon, the instructor can update their personal information and add additional details such as their blood group, PF/CPF number, passport number, and date of retirement. Click Save Changes. An OTP will be sent to the mobile number registered with Aadhaar for verification. To add the instructor's educational qualification details, the instructor must follow the steps below. Note: the same step should be followed for adding instructor professional education and STQ or experience details. To edit the instructor's educational qualifications, click the plus icon next to the educational qualifications section, and then click Add. In the Add Instructor Education section, new educational qualification details can be added to the instructor's profile. Under the Action column, the instructor can edit or delete the newly added qualification details. The instructor must report to the authorized ITI with the required documents for approval. Once the instructor edits the details, the instructor can submit the profile for approval. Click on Submit for approval. Once the instructor clicks Submit for approval, the profile update request will be forwarded to the authorized ITI for review and approval. Upon approval by the authorized ITI, the updated details will be reflected in the instructor's profile. How to change the trade/subject of an instructor? Click on plus next to current employment details. Click on Edit. Select Trade Change from the given option. The instructor can remove the current ITI by clicking the axe icon. To select a new ITI, choose the desired ITI from the drop-down list. Click on Save Changes. Your trade changes request has been submitted successfully message appears. Once the edit is done, instructor can submit the profile for approval. After the instructor submits the application to the authorized ITI, and it is approved, the new trade will become visible in the profile. Once the edit is done, instructor can submit the profile for approval. Click on Submit for approval. Once the instructor clicks Submit for approval, the profile update request will be forwarded to the authorized ITI for review and approval. Upon approval by the authorized ITI, the updated details will be reflected in the instructor's profile. The instructor can resign from the current ITI by clicking the Transfer Out option available on the right side of the profile menu. To resign from the current ITI, the instructor must follow the steps as follows. Click on Transfer Out. Enter the reason for the transfer out and upload a valid supporting document. Click Submit to complete the request. Click on Submit Resignation. Enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number and click Verify. The transfer out request has been submitted successfully message appears. The instructor's transfer out application must be sent to the current ITI where they are working for approval. After the application is approved, the instructor will no longer be tagged to any ITI. If the transfer out application is not approved within 15 days of submission, it will be automatically approved. To join a new ITI, the instructor must follow the steps as follows. Click the Transfer In option available on the right side of the profile menu. Select a new ITI from the list provided. Enter a valid reason for the transfer in and upload a supporting document in PDF format. The maximum allowed file size is 5 MB. After completing the required details, click Submit to send the transfer in request. Click Submit. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Click on Verify. The transfer in request has been submitted successfully message appears. This option is available only to instructors who are not currently tagged to any ITI, that is, they do not have a current working ITI. After the instructor submits a transfer in application and it is approved by the selected ITI, that ITI will be tagged as the instructor's current working ITI. The instructor must report to the selected ITI with all valid supporting documents to complete the verification and approval process. To upload the monthly plan, the instructor must upload the required documents. Click on Upload Monthly Plan. Click on Add Monthly Plan. To upload the lesson plan and demonstration plan, the instructor must upload the file in the supported PDF format. The maximum allowed file size is 5 MB. Note: before adding a monthly plan, the instructor must be mapped to the relevant course or class. To upload the repository, the instructor must upload the required documents. Click Teaching Material Repository to add teaching materials to the repository. Enter the details and upload supporting documents. Under the Action column, the instructor can view the recently added details and update them if required.